Welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever wondered how an AI learns to play a game? Most AIs learn by playing millions of games, a brute force approach that leaves their knowledge locked inside a complex neural network. But this paper introduces a new agent called Cogito, Ergo Ludo, or CL, which learns to play by reasoning and planning, just like a human. The key difference is shown here. Traditional methods learn an implicit policy from rewards, but the CL paradigm builds an explicit rule and playbook from its experiences. It starts from what they call a tabula rasa, or blank slate state, with no prior knowledge of the game's rules. CL's learning process is a fascinating two-phase cycle. In Phase 1, the in-episode phase, the agent plays the game, using its current understanding of the rules and strategy to make decisions. Then comes the most important part, Phase 2, the post-episode reflection. After each game, win or lose, the agent analyzes its entire history of moves. From this, it performs rule induction to refine its understanding of the game's mechanics and strategy summarization to distill its experiences into a better playbook. It's literally learning by thinking about what it did. And the results show this method is incredibly effective. Here you can see its learning curves on 3 different games, Frozen Lake, Minesweeper, and Sokoban. In all cases, the agent starts with no rules, but shows a clear, consistent improvement as it plays and reflects. Amazingly, in Minesweeper, its final success rate is higher than an AI that was given the ground truth rules from the start. To prove how critical the thinking part is, the researchers ran an ablation study. That's where they remove a component to see what happens. The agent that couldn't update its rules, shown in red, barely learned at all. This confirms that the iterative refinement is the key to its success. Because its thoughts are in natural language, we can actually look inside the AI's mind as it makes a decision. Here in a game of Minesweeper, it first assesses the current state's value, calling it high strategic value. Then it predicts the immediate consequences of its possible moves, correctly identifying the winning move and avoiding the ones that would lead to a loss. From its gameplay, it generates a comprehensive and accurate rulebook from scratch. It figures out what each symbol means, the rules of interaction, and the ultimate objective of the game, all on its own. Beyond just the rules, it also generates a strategic playbook, discovering high-level concepts like safe exploration and constraint propagation. So, let's recap the key points. The CL agent learns to play complex games by operating in a cycle of action and reflection. It doesn't just learn a strategy, it builds an explicit, human-readable model of the game's rules and an actionable playbook. This means its decision-making is transparent, not a black box. Crucially, this approach demonstrates strong generalization. The agent learns the abstract skill of how to reason and plan, which it can then apply to new environments. This is a significant step towards more general and trustworthy AI agents that can truly understand and adapt to their world. It's a future where AI learns more like us, not just by doing, but by thinking.